Talking about the BIM contest 2025, it was an excellent journey with my students where I have mentored my third year students of civil engineering. So the journey started with planning, and they have contested among 40 teams, and it is a pride moment for me and for my students to stand with other 10 teams today. And I thank L&T EduTech and Autodesk for giving us this wonderful opportunity. And it was a wonderful learning experience that I have gained. We have experienced the Srishti laboratory, the AR technology. It was an amazing experience to see the growth of civil engineering at L&T, and the initiative taken by L&T EduTech to have an insightful experience on the technology. Thank you so much.
So I'm very happy to receive an award today, Build the Future Contest Award 2025, and we are very happy to associate with L&T EduTech as we have undergone multiple courses which the L&T people has given us, and our students have enhanced their knowledge through the help of L&T EduTech and in association with Autodesk. So we had a multiple rounds, and wherein my students have gathered the data and they have done their modeling, and they have enhanced the knowledge of a BIM in the particular area. We are so happy to associate with L&T EduTech because they have been a backbone for all of us, because they are giving a site visits, hands-on sessions, and they were supporting us at the backside. And our university, talking about my NITA university, our university is again, it is located in Mangalore and Bangalore. So we have both civil, mechanical and electrical, and also IT branches, wherein the L&T EduTech is helping us with respect to the two specializations, that is mechanical and civil engineering specialization. L&T EduTech is giving hands-on sessions to all my students in terms of BIM knowledge, in terms of transportation knowledge, and we are happy to associate with all these particular certifications.
We team of 4 members from the Department of Civil Engineering. Third year civil engineering students have done a wonderful job in the category of commercial buildings. In all the 3 rounds, they have won better way. So I thank the L&T for organizing such events. We made the final round. Thank you.